Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Hello, my name is Thomas, and in this video I'm going to show you how to stream someone's heart rate over the internet via a Raspberry Pi. We are going to make the use of DIY heart rate monitor that we made in a previous video, which you can actually check it out. In this video, in addition to the components required for the DIY heart rate sensor, that is an Arduino Uno, 3 jumper cables, and a pulse sensor module, we'll also need a Raspberry Pi. In this case, I'm using a Raspberry Pi 3. You can use any with a USB connector, and a working internet connection. First, you need to make sure that the pulse sensor module is outputting the right values to the Arduino serial monitor. The rest of the configuration will solely be on the Raspberry Pi, and all the code that I'll be using is written in the blog post linked below. The first step is to put your Raspberry Pi into headless mode so that you can SSH onto it via your computer. Now, if all that sounds too complicated to you, we also have a blog post linked below that shows you how to do exactly that. The connections are quite simple, and the only cable you'll really need is the Arduino USB cable and a micro USB cable to power the Raspberry Pi. So all you have to do is take the Arduino USB cable, connect it to the Arduino, and connect it to one of the USB ports in the Raspberry Pi, and power it on with an adapter, micro USB adapter, and you're good to go. So without further ado, let's go into my laptop and check it out how to do it. Go to thingspeak.com and create an account. This is the service we'll be using to stream our heart rate over the internet. So you can just sign into thingspeak.com anywhere around the world and you'll be able to access your data. If you don't have an account, sign up. Since I already have an account, I'm just going to sign in. Write your email address. Once you sign in, you'll have an option to create a new channel. Give the name Heart Rate Streaming. You can write a description if you would like to. Streaming the heart rate over the internet via a Raspberry Pi. Scroll down and choose Save Channel. And this is the chart you'll have to monitor in order to see your streamed data. Next, go to API keys and note down this particular key. We'll be needing it to connect our Raspberry Pi to thingspeak.com. In order to connect to your Raspberry Pi via your computer, you'll need a software called Putty. So make sure you install Putty, open it, and type the IP address that your Raspberry Pi is connected to on your router. So that's 192.168.0.2. Click on Open, make it full screen, log in to your user ID, so in my case it's Pi, type in your password, and you should be presented with a screen like this. Now, we'll have to make a Python script that reads the data from the Arduino serial monitor and streams it to Thingspeak. So in order to do so, navigate to Documents, and I'll be creating a new Python file. So the command for that is nano, and the name of the file that I'm going to create. So heartbeat streaming.py. A nano editor opens where you'll have to paste your Python script. So I have my Python script ready in Sublime Text. Again, you can get this code in the blog post linked below. The only modification that you'll have to make here is to change this key. And this key, as you guessed it, is from Thingspeak. So you copy the generated key, go here, paste it, and you're good to go. Save it, Control A, Control C. You right click and you should have all the code pasted in your nano editor. Once you paste it, press Control X to close it, and now you have to just run the script. The command for running the script is Python 3 and the name of the file. So heartbeat_streaming.py. Once you enter, you should have the Arduino serial monitor outputting to your Raspberry Pi. Once you run this, you can go back to Thingspeak and go to channels, go to the channel that you just created. So that would be heart rate streaming here. And you should be able to see a chart. Since this is a free service, you're limited to streaming data every 15 seconds. So in case you need a faster streaming rate, you'll have to pay a fee in Thingspeak. And now we can remotely monitor the heart rate. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching again, and see you in the next video.